Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add your own Telegram channel to the Waybien Ads search engine step by step. So, let's get started. This is the search engine interface where you can discover different ad campaigns that are now running on the platform. To add your own channel, go to the right top corner and click Add Group or Channel. This will take you to the submission page, which is this one. Here, you can either add your channel using a direct link or enter your information manually. In this tutorial, we will go with the manual option so you can see all the details. Start by pasting your channel URL in the Add Form URL field. Then, enter your channel title exactly as it appears on Telegram. Next, choose the permalink, which is a simplified version of your channel's name. Now, add relevant keywords that describe your channel. This helps improve visibility and make it easier for advertisers to find your channel. Then, write a short and clear description explaining what your channel is about. Next, fill in important details about your channel. This includes the number of members, the creation, date, the type, category, language, location. Make sure everything is accurate as this information is used for targeting and recommendations. Finally, we will add our picture. Now that we added all the necessary information, before submitting, make sure to accept the terms and conditions and then click Save to submit your channel. And that's it! Your channel has now been successfully submitted to the Waybien Ads search engine. After submission, your channel will be reviewed by the platform to ensure it meets the requirements. Once approved, it will become available for advertisers to discover and use in campaigns. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.